today, guys, we are gonna play Survive the Killer. And I think this is my friend. I don't know what's his name, but I think it's I. I don't know what it's saying. What the? Oh, there's the killer. Somebody escaped. Oh, yes. I don't know.
I played
I-
this game
I-
before.
I played these games not too long, but I don't know. But this is my friend actually. I don't know why is he like that. He's trading me. What is he gonna trade me? I got the last player. Slicer. Element. Huh? Wait, can I do? What? I think I'm gonna play the Ice Lady. Wait. Okay, he's adding more.
Wait.
Don't. Okay. I think he's gonna trade me that, bro. Whoa! Bro, thank you, bro. Oh, guys, it's starting now. Oof! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! My friend is the killer. Okay. Okay, we're gonna grind. Pero ayun na, naipatika mo. Nainit ko, nagpag-video. Okay. What the heck is this fucking guy? Oh, what was that? Oh, shit. I got a pickaxe. I think I'm playing Minecraft. A car engine. I think I'm playing Granny. The fuck? The guy. Oh, shit. He's downstairs. I think we're upstairs. Oh no. I think someone is getting hurt. Cause I don't use sound. I'm sorry, guys. So I heard that you will loot things and you get money if you make your inventory full, and you get $5 every you revive. Okay, now I know. Okay, let's revive this. Look, it gives me 5 coins. Lighter. Oh shit is here. Bugbog ko na natin para magpapatayo. Biyak na magpapatayo. Okay. Our inventory is full though. Wait, how do you cancel this? Actually. Wait. Huh? Oh, I know. What? Oh, sorry. Okay. Where am I? Oh shit. Oh, oh, oh. Oh no. Oh no, he got me. Oh no, he got me. He got me. I need help. Someone, please help me. I think I'm gonna die. Okay na. Guys, someone please. Oh, thank you, bro. Thank you so much. This, she is so beautiful. Okay. This, okay, I don't know that. Bro, see me. Okay. Someone's down. No loot. I got a pocket watch. Someone's defeated though. What's this? I think he is camping there. Let me see if he's camping. Oh yes. I cannot go there. But this guy can. You can do it, bro. You can do it, bro. If you can. Oh. Oh, bro. A scope. What the heck? I thought my friend was not okay. Okay. Oh shit. Oh no. Someone's down. Oh no. What's the exit? Why am I lagging? Huh? This ain't exit. Where is it? Why did it disappear? Oh, there it is. Let me wait for him. Puti, 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 puti. Wait, where's it? Wait, let me see my bag. Oh, okay, it's not coming, so I'm gonna go. Round 1. We survived the day 1. Okay. 6 escape, 1 death. Not bad at all. Wow, win a game as a killer. I don't have even a chance. This was, I think, what's that? What's this? Bro, it's actually weird. What's this? Okay, let's go to Classic Fairgrounds. New. There is no way. What's this? What's this, bro? Ah, I think I need to get that. It's just for 450 coins. Okay, what's gonna be it? How is bro slack? Did bro use Robux? What the heck? I don't know. No! Pero kung makita natin. Okay. Shattered $2. Not bad. Okay. No. Oh, someone just revived me. I need a tire. Oh, my friend got disconnected. But guys, if you haven't subscribed, like and subscribe for more videos. Goodbye.